In this video, you're going to learn how to create Facebook ads using Canva. Even if you don't have any design skills, Canva allows you to create really nice looking, high converting Facebook and Instagram ad graphics for free and really quickly. We're talking a matter of minutes. So we're gonna jump in and just look at how to do it from start to finish. But first, we've found that you actually get higher converting ad graphics if you hit that like button below the video. For some reason, people hit that like button before they go and create their graphics, and their graphics just convert higher. So go ahead, give it a tap, and then let's get into the tutorial. And first thing we want to do is head over to Canva. So first thing you need to do is go to canva.com and either create a free account or log into your existing account. So I'm here in my free account. I don't pay for Canva. Everything you're seeing now inside Canva is completely free. From there, we want to click Create a Design. And you're actually going to here not type in Facebook ad. We want to type in Instagram ad. Now the reason for that is because if you type in Facebook ad, it will give you a range of templates, and I'll show you that right now, that are in the dimensions of 1200 pixels wide by 628 pixels tall. In other words, they're rectangular shaped images. So square images actually stand out more in the newsfeed because they take up more real estate. So we don't want these rectangular templates, we want square. And the way to do that is to actually choose Instagram ad instead of Facebook ad. There's no other difference except for the dimension. So I type Instagram ad and select that from the drop down. Now what we can do is select a template. So we simply scroll through the list and find a template that you like. And you can see they actually update these quite regularly. At the time of recording this video, it's right near Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And so they have a bunch of specific templates for that. So you can come in here and actually search at the top for templates that suit specific events, if that's what you're marketing for and if that's what you're doing. I'm going to create this template here, select that one. Now, once you've selected your template, it's really quick and easy. We can click on each of the elements and simply swap things out. So I'm going to click on this image and hit delete. And I'm going to swap in a new image. So what I can do here is go to uploads and I can select a photo of myself or whatever I want to include here, drag it across and upload that image. Okay, once that uploads, I can drag that on here and I can simply resize it, whoops, double click on that, and then it allows me to move it wherever I want. Okay, so I can move the image and place it there. From this point, we can go to each different element. I'm going to select these two, delete that one, and now I can simply drag in my own logo. So you can see here, I'll go to my logo file, simply drag that into Canva, and then drag it onto my image. Resize. Now next up, what I can do is select these different elements here and change the color. So I'm going to make this color more suited to my brand. So I'm going to choose my brand colors here. Actually, I'll make this the teal from my brand. Okay, now I can change this font. Okay, and I can just simply change this. I can change the color. Again, matching my brand. So I'll make it the brighter orange, change the text. I can simply double click on this, change the text, and that's it. We now have an ad graphic that we can export and use for ourselves. So if I click download, we simply choose PNG, click download, that file will save to your computer and you are good to go and run it as a Facebook ad. Now, one other thing I want to show you is how to remove the background in an image. Let's say I wanted to use this photo of me, but I wanted to have it cut out and remove the background. A great tool for this is called Remove BG. So remove.bg, you can see I'm on the website now. Go to remove.bg and they have a free option and they have a paid option. Now you can upload an image right away for free, which I'm going to do right now, and they will give that to you ready to use, but it will be a low res version, meaning it's a low quality version. You can pay for the service and get high res versions. It's actually what I recommend doing if you're going to do it because it's really cheap. It's like $1 an image to do. You can buy credit packs. Again, no affiliation with them. They're just a good tool. You can buy them, upload an image. It'll give you the high res version, which you can see I've got here. All I did was drag the image on. It's literally removed the background for me, given it to me, and I just click download. Okay, so now I can simply click download HD, and that's going to download the HD version. Click download. And I'll just save that to my computer. Go back to Canva, and now I can simply drag this file in. And now I just add it to the document, double click it again to move it around. I actually think this looks a lot better with the background removed. And it's even in the foreground there over that bottom piece, which I think looks pretty cool as well. If I wanted to bring that forward, I can simply click on that bottom bar and click bring forward. So I'll bring it forward and I can send it back if I want to as well. So it's a right click, send backward, and there we go. My legs come across over the front again. All right, now we just click download. Like I said, download it completely free to your computer, upload it and use it in an ad. Now, one other thing you can do here is that will automatically save, so I can click home. And if you want to create ads for Instagram stories and other placements that are a different dimension, so Square gets you most placements. It gets you the Facebook news feed, it gets you the Instagram feed, it gets you right column ads, plus a bunch of others. But for things like Instagram stories, I highly recommend creating a 1080 by 1920, meaning a tall rectangular image that suits Instagram stories. So to do that, it's exactly the same process, but you'd click create a design. You would search for Instagram stories and you would select Instagram story and go through that same process. One last really cool thing I want to share with you before we wrap up this video is a great source of ideas and inspiration for your Facebook and Instagram ads. If you're wondering what to create, you're not sure what sort of design to use, or you need a few more ideas apart from the templates that are available in Canva, head on over to a website called creativemarket.com. This is just something I've discovered over the years, and it's a great way. If I just click in here and search for Facebook ad, Creative Market sells creative templates. So it sells templates for all sorts of things. It sells templates for ads, for icons and logos, for Instagram posts and Facebook posts, and pretty much any kind of creative or graphic template you can think of. So if you type in Facebook ads, you can actually buy Facebook ad templates, okay? But we're not going to buy them. You can simply just use these to browse. So if I click on this Facebook ad template pack, we can have a look and just get a feel for what kind of designs are out there, and you can look at these and go, oh yeah, I really like, you know, how this is done or how that's done, and don't copy them. That's not what I'm saying at all here. What I'm saying is just use them for ideas and inspiration. So look, this one here is pretty cool with the corners here, the colored text on the black and white background. So you might go, hey, that really looks good with black and white background, those little corners. I'm going to go and create something that sort of uses those effects. So like I said, you can just browse through Creative Market and come up with creative ideas that you can pull and implement into your own graphics. Now, most people use the Facebook ad library. That's great. I'll link to that below as well. That allows you to look at competitors and get ideas of what they're doing. But yeah, Creative Market, it's a second source. You can come up with some really beautiful ideas by using Creative Market to sort of pick and choose different elements that you love and combine them into your very own Facebook ad graphics. All right, so I hope this tutorial has helped you, and I hope that you are now able to jump into Canva, create some really good looking Facebook and Instagram ads that improve your results. If you enjoyed this video, again, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to hear more from me, click subscribe and make sure you hit that bell to get notified whenever I release a new video or whenever I go live on the channel, because those lives are only visible or seen to people who are subscribed. I don't leave those lives public on the channel simply because honestly, they're not good for the algorithm. They affect the performance of my channel. So I do them live. They're just for subscribers. They get notified. They can see them, but no one else can. So subscribe for that reason if you want to see those. All right, thanks again for watching. As always, I appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye. In this video, you're going to learn, try again, start again. Let's try that again. I'll have to redo this section. I'll go back to where I downloaded the file, I think, is what I need to do.